Good morning, class. How are you today? Are you feeling good or are you feeling sick?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. And now, what we learn today?
Okay, that's good to hear because today we will learn about the topic is introduction. So I will play the audio that I want you to listen to. So please listen carefully.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is David. What is yours?
I'm Sarah, pleased to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Austin.
That is awesome. I really like Austin. I'm from Los Angeles.
Have you met my friend Alex over there? He is also from Los Angeles.
Yes, I have. We talked briefly earlier.
I have to get going now. It was a pleasure meeting you, David.
Of course. See you later.
Okay, students, so after we watch the video that I already played to you, and today I have a question that I want you to answer. It's already in here. So if you have any question, please ask, and if you don't, then continue to find the answer. Okay, student, if you are already finished, you can go in front of the class and present your answer and share it with the friends. Sir, we are already done. We are ready to answer the question. Okay, so after we discuss our answer and we have already decided the answer that we already discussed. So number one, please.
First question. What is the name of the first speaker?
The first speaker name is David.
Next question.
So where is the second speaker from?
Second speaker is Saf.
And where is she from?
She's from Austin.
Okay, so
So,
Number
I
three.
will ask for third question. What do the speakers say to each other when they first meet?
The exchange greetings precisely for David is, hello, what is your name? Sarah, my name is David. What is yours? I'm Sarah. Pleased to meet you, David. David says, nice to meet you too, Sarah. And number four, what question does the first speaker ask?
The first speaker asks, where are you from?
Okay, so number five is, what does the second speaker say?
I'm from Austin.
Okay, so that is all our questions. So thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, class, so that's it for today, and hopefully we will learn more something interesting for tomorrow. So I hope you have a good day today and have much fun working with your pairs. And I will now close our today's topic. So thank you for participating and thank you very much. Bye.